OMG, Israel Adesanya could be parting away with half of his wealth to ex-girlfriend Charlotte Powdrell. Apparently, in New Zealand, there is a de facto relationship compensation law whereby there are different factors that determine it, and as it seems, she qualifies actually because yes, they started dating in 2019 allegedly, and they broke up in 2020. But according to the de facto relationship criteria, which is not only limited to living together for 3 years, because that's usually the standard, but other factors are considered. Did you people share a bedroom together? Was it catering for you in some way before? Who did the house chores? So she has a very, very good case, honestly. In fact, to the extent of, did the public view both of you as a couple? Wow. Wow. Lots and lots. In fact, they said once you even have a child together, you qualify for the de facto relationship compensation, but they don't have a child together and they had not been together for 3 years. But many other factors qualify there. Probably they were living together. Did the public view them as a couple? We actually did. Did family view them as a couple? Was he responsible for taking care of certain things? Just to protect the woman, that you don't just pull off all benefits from her. So even if she doesn't get half, but there will be some compensation, sort of, from what I see, from what I'm saying, based on the criteria for qualifying for that compensation. So, what are your thoughts? They were never married, so this is not a divorce case. This is just a relationship situation. And New Zealand is not the only country that actually have such laws. I know even in Africa, South Africa has that law that if you have cohabited with somebody for some time, you will share your property, except there was an agreement, a legal agreement that we are just dating, and a plan that people will go their separate ways. But some countries actually have that law, so that you don't waste people's time. You date someone and you just keep them hanging. They lose out on relationships, and you waste their time, and you just do away with them the way you feel like. So I think it's actually a good thing. But in this case, people are just very sentimental because we all know Israel Adesanya. So what are your thoughts? Please, let's share this. It's not entirely funny, but it's something to pay attention to, and it triggered my interest. So what are your thoughts? Would like to hear from you. Cheers.